Morning everyone, it's your maths class, unit number 8, introduction to algebra, which is given in your book page number 90. Now we start exercise 8a, question number 1. Find the values that satisfy the following statement. Now we solve first part. 4:5 equal to 16:x. It means we find the value of x. Clear? So first we write the question. 4:5 equal to 16:x. First and last value called extreme. Second and third value called means. Okay? We have two methods. It's up to you, apply any one. 4 multiplied by x equal to 5 multiplied by 16. Okay? This part 4:x, it's a denominator part. We find the value of x. So write 4 in denominator place. 5:16. Next step, x equal to, now we reduce it. 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20. Answer x equal to 20. Now second method, or it's up to you, apply any one. 16 multiplied by 5. 16 5s are 5 6 are 30, 0 3, 5 1s are 5 6 7 8. 16 5s are 5 16s are 80. So 80 upon 4. Then reduce it. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 0 as it is go up. So x equal to 20. Both are correct. It's up to you, apply any one method. Second part, 5% of 200 equal to dash. Okay, dot dash means find the value of this part. So 5%, first we copy. 5% means 5 upon 100, correct? Of means multiply. 200 as it is copy, equal to x. It means we find the value of x. Next step, 5 upon 100. When we use two equal sign in one step, that time we use applying sign. Okay, it's called applying sign. Multiply by 200. Reduce it. 2 0 cut with 2 0. 5 multiplied by 2. 5 2s are 10. It means x equal to 10. Right over here 10. It's best equal to x. Okay, x equal to 10. 5 2s are 10. Done. Second part, B1. Okay, now part C, 78 plus dash. It means this part value missing. So we find the value of this part after plus. 78 plus dash equal to 100. After equal 100 is given 78. It means over here we have positive sign, plus sign. We find the value of x. First we write again 78 plus x equal to 100. Okay, now 78 we shift another side. We change the place. So according to the rule, when we shift or change the place, automatically sign will be inverse. Okay, it means 78 is given. So positive 78 convert into negative 78. X is equal to 100. As it is copied down, X equal sign and 100. This 78 shift another side. So automatically plus 78 convert into minus 78. Okay, its rule. According to the rule, positive 78, when we change the place, automatically this sign will be inverse, plus change into minus. So 100x as it is copy down, put applying sign. When we use 2 or more than 2 equal sign in one step, so we put equal sign. So 100 minus 78. Okay, 10 minus 8, 2 is left. 9 minus 7, 2 is left. It means the value of x 22. Done part C. Now part D. 1.2 multiplied by dash equal to 6.0. It means this part missing. So 1.2 multiplied by x equal to 6.0. Decimal is given. So in the next step, remove the decimal. 1.2 remove the decimal upon 10. Replacement of decimal we put right over here in denominator place 1. After decimal 1 digit, so we put 10 multiply by x equal to 6.0. Remove decimal 10. Okay, same method, remove the decimal right over here 1, after decimal 1 digit, so we put 10. Now in the next step, we shift x is equal to 6.6 upon 10. This part we shift another side. Okay, x as it is copy, equal sign as it is copy, 6 upon 10 as it is copy. This part 1.2, it means 12 upon 10, we shift another side, we change the place, so automatically sign will be inverse. It means this part we have in fraction form. Fraction means we have divide, so direct method divide change into multiply, so simple method reciprocally. Okay, so simple reciprocally. 12 upon 2 is given, so we write 10 upon 12. Okay, listen class 6. 1.2 multiplied by x is equal to 6.0. Question is given. This part missing, so we write over here x. We find the value of x. Remove the decimal. Both side we remove the decimal. 1.2 remove the decimal 12.10 or 60 upon 10. Point is clear. Remove the decimal, write in fraction form upon 10. The replacement of decimal we put 1. After decimal we have 1 digit, we put 110. It means after remove the decimal we have 12 upon 10, 60 upon 10. Clear? Now we shift this part. Another side, change the place, automatically sign will be inverse. Now over here this part we have fraction. Fraction means divide. Divide change into multiply. So simple method reciprocally. Automatically it's inverse. X as it is copy, equal sign as it is copy, 60 upon 10 as it is copy, multiply by this part. 12 upon 10, inverse it, 10 upon 12. Okay, it means over here it's divide, fraction form show it's divide change into multiply, direct method reciprocally. Okay, inverse it, reciprocally. So 12 upon 10, after inverse 10 upon 12. Then we reduce it, 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, then 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, after reduce, correct, 10 1s are 10, 10 1s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 1 upon 2, x equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, just we check it. 60. Okay, listen class, it's not 6, 60 is given. Okay, 60 upon 10. So I remove it. I do it again because by mistake I wrote 60. 6. But over here we have 60. 60 upon 10 multiply by 10 upon 12. Correct? 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10, 12 ones are 12, 12 fives are 60. Okay, by mistake I wrote 6. It's not 6, it's 60. So x equal to 5 upon 1 or 5. Both are correct. Next part, E1, 3 upon 4% multiply by dot equal to 75. This part D. Okay, check very carefully part D1. It's 60 is given. After remove the decimal, it's 60, not 6. Please copy very carefully, class 6. 60 upon 10 and 10 upon 12 after reciprocal. First we write it 3 upon 4 percent means multi 100. Okay, the last part 3 upon 4 percent sign is not given. In the very small writing 3 upon 4 is written. Multiply by value of x. Oh, this part missing. Put x equal to 75. Okay, apply same method. We find the value of x. X as it is copy equal to 75. This part shift another side. 3 upon 4 shift another side. So this part we have in fraction form. Fraction means it's divide. So divide change into direct method multiply. Divide change into multiply, or direct method is reciprocal it. Okay, 4 upon 3. Now reduce it. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 1 is left, 3 fives are 15. 25 is 2, 4 is left. So 25 fours are 100 answer. Value of x 100. Done all part A till E.